Hello, busy professionals. I was able to visit Dubai twice in a matter of a few months to do some site inspections at some of the top luxury hotels. As a luxury travel advisor, I use my network to see some of the best luxury suites Dubai has to offer for my clients. You're going to see suites where some of the top global celebrities and dignitaries stay during their visits to Dubai. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification button to get updated on our next video. Get ready to indulge your senses as we unveil some of the best luxury hotel suites in Dubai. Our first stop on this luxury adventure is the adult-only W Mina Sayai. This new hotel is the modern design meets Middle Eastern mystique. Picture yourself lounging by the pool, cocktail in hand, and enjoying pulsating energy of Dubai's vibrant shoreline.
So we're at the W at the Mina Sayai, and it is a 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath suite. Spectacular. So let's take a look.
We had the opportunity to view the famous EWOW suites. This 2,400 square foot of paradise is the perfect place to entertain and take in the views on its large balconies. The 2-bedroom suite can sleep up to 6 adults. What really makes it stand out though is the marble bathrooms and the bar in the middle of the living room. This is the perfect suite for birthday getaways with friends.
This is the shower. Can you believe it? How big it is, and look at this view.
The suites at the W Mina Sayai are the epitome of cool and contemporary. With the stunning interiors, chic furnishings, breathtaking views, you're like a rock star in your own private paradise.
Showtime Travel, you deserve a luxury vacation.
And trust me, the party doesn't stop. Whether you're lounging on your private terrace or soaking in your infinity pool, the W Mina Sayai ensures an unforgettable experience. Next up, we're hopping over to the fabulously elegant St. Regis Palm. This hotel goes above and beyond to ensure every whim is met. Prepare for the ultimate dose of luxury and relaxation as you sink into the plushness of these opulent suites, from personal butlers at your beck and call to a private beach just steps away. This place knows how to spoil you rotten. Get ready to bask in a lap of luxury. We had the opportunity to view the Astor suites. The suite is 1,600 square feet of pure luxury and comes with butler service. Also, it sleeps up to 3 adults. This suite is great for a couple or a family with one child who enjoys classic luxury hospitality with contemporary decor. Now, get ready for a jaw-dropping experience as we soar high with the legendary Burj Al Arab. We're talking about a hotel that screams wow from every angle. This iconic landmark of Dubai has received a 5-star rating from Forbes. These suites are a haven for discerning travelers seeking the creme de la creme. Picture yourself sipping champagne in a marble-clad bathtub while taking in sweeping views of the city skyline. This hotel is traditional Middle Eastern luxury. Each suite we visited had 2 floors with gold everywhere. I just kept thinking of that song by Trinidad James, All Gold Everything, but let me get back. Everything about this hotel screams Arabian royalty. This is the perfect hotel for those who are looking for authentic Middle Eastern luxury accommodations. Last, but certainly not least, we unveil the epitome of lavishness, the Atlantis The Royal. Prepare to have your expectations shattered as you step foot into the architectural marvel. The hotel just had their grand opening with a performance from Queen Beyonce herself. I was told the price tag was about $24 million for that performance, but money is no object to this hotel. I was able to visit this hotel while it was under construction during my first visit and stay in the hotel during my next visit. During my stay, I was able to view the signature penthouse suites and the sky pool villas. These suites at the Atlantis The Royal redefined luxury on every level, combining contemporary design with timeless elegance. We're at the Royal Atlantis at the panoramic view suite. I want you to just check out the first room. It's usually where some celebrities may have their security or nanny stay. The Sky Pool Suites are about 1,300 square feet with a terrace that is equally as big, and it comes with a private infinity pool. It sleeps up to 3 adults and has a spacious living and dining area. Now, the penthouse suites are just amazing. 5,500 square foot penthouse has 2 bedrooms, sleeps up to 4 adults and 2 children. It comes with a panoramic private pool on the terrace, along with grand dining room. Also, let's not forget, it comes with butler service to cater to all your needs and wants. When you stay at the Atlantis The Royal, you're basically stating to the world, you are on another level. All right, busy professionals, we've explored some of the very best Dubai has to offer when it comes to luxury hotel suites. And guess what? You can experience all this too. As your dedicated luxury travel advisor, I'm here to make your dreams a reality. Whether you're craving an unforgettable romantic getaway or that bucket list vacation experience, I've got you covered. Let's plan a trip of a lifetime together by visiting showtimetravel.com and clicking on the Design My Luxury Experience tab to schedule a call. If you enjoyed this journey through Dubai's most luxurious accommodations, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more epic travel escapades. Stay tuned for my insider tips and thrilling adventures from my around the world journeys. Until next time, my friends, remember, you deserve a luxury vacation. Have a good one.